Hey guys, welcome to Araatech, your go-to destination for all things artificial intelligence and software. We will explore the incredible world where artificial intelligence meets software development, whether you are a coding pro or just curious about the tech landscape. You are in for a treat. Join me as we unravel the mysteries, discuss the latest trends, and discover the impact of artificial intelligence and software on our lives. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for a mind blowing journey into the future of technology. Artificial intelligence has transcended the realm of science fiction and academia to become an integral part of our daily lives. From creating art to simplifying business tasks, AI tools have transformed various aspects of our world. Here are some remarkable artificial intelligence applications that everyone should be aware of. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT-3 language model, allows interactive conversations with artificial intelligence. It responds to text prompts, generating text in various forms from prose to computer code, making it a versatile tool for communication and problem solving. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. DAL E2. DAL E2, an other OpenAI project, translates text prompts into computer graphics, generating images, photos, and drawings based on textual descriptions. This tool brings textual ideas to visual life, bridging the gap between language and imagery. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Stable Diffusion 2. Stable Diffusion 2 is a text to image generative artificial intelligence application. It openly shares its source code and algorithm details, allowing users to create image from text prompts on their own computers. This open approach provides flexibility and transparency in the generative artificial intelligence process. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI powered video creation tool that simplifies the process of making videos. Its drag and drop interface enables users to create educational, marketing, or business videos without extensive video editing skills, making video content creation accessible to everyone. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. SoundRaw. SoundRaw is an automated music generator. Users can create royalty-free AI-generated music by specifying genre, instruments, mood, and track length. The AI composes unique music tracks based on these preferences, offering a convenient solution for content creators and businesses in need of background music. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Luca. Luca is an artificial intelligence driven tool for logo creation and branding. It uses artificial intelligence algorithms to design unique logos that reflect a company's style and message. Even individuals with no design skills can create customized logos and marketing materials, empowering businesses to establish a strong visual identity. AI tools and software are revolutionizing everyday tasks. Podcastle. Podcastle is an audio recording and editing platform with integrated artificial intelligence tools. It assists in creating high quality recordings by automatically cleaning up background noise and generating transcripts. This streamlined process enhances the production of podcasts and audio content. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Gen 1. Gen 1 is a cloud based text to video platform that transforms existing video or storyboards into edited and enhanced videos. Users can apply edits and effects through text prompts, facilitating the creation of engaging video content without extensive video editing expertise. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Lala Artificial Intelligence. Lala AI utilizes the Phoenix Neural Network system to automate audio source separation. It can extract vocals, music, or specific instrumental tracks from audio or video content. This tool is valuable for audio professionals, content creators, and musicians seeking to manipulate audio elements effectively. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Deep nostalgia. Deep nostalgia brings historical photos to life by animating faces, allowing users to witness their ancestors' expressions and movements. By adding motion to still images, this tool provides a unique way to connect with the past and create compelling visual narratives. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Murph. Murph is a text to speech engine that offers natural sounding synthetic vocal recordings with a diverse range of languages, voices, and dialects. Murph simplifies the process of creating narrations and voiceovers. Its output can enhance various applications from automated marketing to video content production. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Legal robot. Legal robot translates complex legal language into clear, understandable terms. It ensures that legal documents are accessible to both legal professionals and lay people. By simplifying legal texts, this tool promotes transparency and understanding in legal communication. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Cleanup Pictures. Cleanup Pictures is an artificial intelligence tool for image retouching. It removes unwanted objects, defects, or people from images, enhancing visual aesthetics. Through in-painting techniques, this tool helps users achieve polished and flawless image for professional and personal use. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Fireflies. Fireflies automates note taking and transcription during video conferences. It integrates with popular platforms like Zoom and provides insights into conversation dynamics and decision making processes. This tool enhances productivity by capturing key points and discussions during meetings. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. Crisp. Crisp is a real-time noise cancellation tool for conference calls by removing background noises, echoes, and distractions. Crisp ensures clear and professional communication during virtual meetings. It optimizes audio quality, enabling participants to focus on the conversation without disruptions. AI tools and software revolutionizing everyday tasks. These AI tools represent the forefront of technology, showcasing the diverse applications of artificial intelligence in various fields. From creative endeavors to business solutions, artificial intelligence continues to shape the way we interact with information and media, making tasks more accessible and efficient for everyone.